Good afternoon. A week ago I had a special birthday. I was 65, so along with my bus pass and extended bus pass and rail pass that can take me all over Ireland, I got a special present from my children. And normally for birthdays, you know, you get a CD and you get a I don't know, whatever. But because I was 65, I got a really special birthday present, and here it is. It's a new Powerhose power washer, and I've had power washers in the past, and I'm afraid they have bitten the dust. And I didn't have a power hose for a few years, so I was especially pleased to actually get this one. It was bought in MacBlair over at Lisburn, and we've looked it up. It cost around £200. I'm not exactly sure of the exact price, but that's what it cost, near enough. So it's a Michelin. I didn't even know Michelin made power washers. It's an MPX 130 LP, and let's see. Here's all its bits and pieces. So you've got a wand, you've got a reel, you've got your power hose body here, and an extended wand, and I'm not exactly sure what this is here, but it looks as if you could do pavings with that. So I haven't even unboxed this yet, but here's another view of what you've got inside this. So, as said before, you've got your power hose, and you've got a trigger wand, you've got a reel, you've got attachments, you've got a 1.4 litre container. You may put soap into that, I don't know. You've got this for doing this sort of brush for doing the edge of pools and patios. It can clean barbecue sets, and it can clean paving of all descriptions. So pretty nifty, pretty good. And down here it shows you the specifications even more. It's an MPX 130 LP. It's 230 volt. It's 370 L/H. Not too sure what that means. It's 130 bar max. It's 1800 watt and 50 centigrade max. It can presumably have water in it that's up to 50 centigrade, but I'm just guessing. I haven't even got it opened. So this is the grand opening. And we'll see what's inside. I haven't got round to doing this. I mean, I've had it over a week, and I should have. So that's the cap of that blue thing to do pavements. We've got an instruction book. I'll need that. Whenever you're opening these things up, you throw nothing away, because if the product is faulty, you will have to package it all up again to bring it back. So you throw nothing away until you make sure that the power hose actually does what it's supposed to do. So all packaging retained. Until after you give it a good try out. So all sorts of bits and pieces. That's part of the wand. Now it's always useful to keep, that's part of the wand. It's always useful to keep the actual box that your power hose comes in, so for storage purposes. There's different types of wand, and this is your actual power hose. And there's one or two more bits down the side. Oh no, that's plug. So how am I going to get this out? Oh dear. This is not a good idea. Let me just stand up here. And there we go. Got it. Right. So, taking the plastic covering off. And this is like Christmas. So just I've unpackaged the actual power hose, which is sitting up there, but I'm just unpackaging all of this. This is some sort of brush attachment, and this is your power hose gun. It says here, warning, caution, never direct high pressure jets directly at a tire. So there's all sorts of, this is all written out in multiple languages. So obviously this product is sold all over the world. So here's your gun. And part of a wand, another part of a wand. 3 different connections here you can have. Parts of it to make one wand, not absolutely sure. A lot of packaging. And again, more packaging here. I need a box so that I can store all these in. Obviously with so many different connections, it would be easy to mislay one of these, and you don't want to do that. Right, instruction book.